Good morning, little Joe. What are you doing? Are you waking up? Yes. Are you going to be a good boy today? Yeah. You have to be nice to Miss Morgan today. Have you already watched Doc? What's Doc doing this morning? Is she singing her songs? I can't even remember the Doc song. It just goes like this, right? You got to watch the shark one where he brushes his teeth. Yeah. You going to brush your teeth today? Do you have stinky breath? You got stinky breath. You gotta brush your teeth. You gotta brush your teeth. Yeah. All right. So you gotta get a bath today. You gotta brush your teeth. Yeah. What else you gonna do? You gonna go to your room? You gonna play? You gonna throw your balls at your basketball hoop? Yeah. Do you think you want to play with the balls today? Are you gonna go somewhere with Dada? Is Daddy gonna take you somewhere today? Is he gonna take you to see Chucky? Are you gonna go see Chucky today? I don't know. You better go ask Daddy. Yeah, can you call him? Dad! Dad! Is he coming? Okay. Well, you ask him if you can go to Chuck E. Cheese today. Okay? And you be good for Morgan. And then Mommy will see you tonight. Okay? Do I love you? Yes, I do. I love you very, very much. All right, you ready for a kiss? Here it comes. All right, you ready for the next one? Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. All right. Bye. See you later.